Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm discussing about 3CX and I'll be discussing how to install 3CX on cloud, specifically Google Cloud. So first of all, let us register for the 3CX. I'm gonna give my name and email address. I'm giving the email address which is associated with my Google Cloud account and click on submit. So we need to provide the details as it is in the screen. We need to provide the zip code. Let me try 000 and mobile number as well. And I gave the mobile number. You need to choose the company says how many employees you have, but in my case it's testing actually, so I'm just gonna give 1 to 25 employees and company name is testing company and click on submit. So there is a problem in zip code, so let me try. Okay, it's I think we need to choose some street or something. Let me clear this. Okay, so just click on Vassal Road. It's not matter if it's anywhere in Dubai, that's fine. And I received an email on the email address I have given, but before that I need to create a project in Google Cloud. So I'm creating a project in Google Cloud, console.cloud.google.com, and I'm creating a project with the name 3CX Cloud and create it. If you don't know how to create a project in Google Cloud, I'll put a video in the description so you can watch it. And already created the project. So now I need to check my email address and verify the email address. Click on the verify your email and it will be opening PBX Express, which will be helping us to install 3CX on the cloud. So I'm going to choose the time as well, Abu Dhabi, Muscat, and standard English prompts it. In host name, here it's very important, you need to give your company name here, because this will be your FQDN name. It will be chosen based on this host name. So I'm gonna give, for testing purpose, I'm giving my name. Click on next. Oh, it's already in use, so Shamil 3CX, I think it will not be there. Okay, click on next. Okay, it's fine, it's accepted now. And here we need to choose the digit length. It's very important you should choose the correct digit length because you will not be able to change it later. So in my case, I'm sure I will not go beyond 2 digits, but in your case make sure you are using 3 if you have enough employees for extensions. So here you can choose the hosting provider. As I mentioned before, I'm installed on Google, so I'm going with the default option. It's opening the email address in my browser. So if you don't have, you have to choose another account and give the username and password associated with the Google Cloud account. So I'm gonna choose my email address and click on allow. Fine, now it's open. So it will be showing all the projects that is listed on that. So there is an error loading regions. Let's click on the details for the error. Okay, I didn't enable the API, so let me go to this link and see if I can enable the API. So it's loading. Permission error. Okay, it's because I have two emails on this browser, so I need to switch to my another account. So let me switch to my another account so that there won't be a screen like this. Permission error will not be there. Okay, now it's asking for enabling the API. Enable it. So we are enabling the API for this particular project, 3CX Cloud. Let's wait for it to finish. Create credential. Create credential. Actually, I believe we don't need it because the credentials will automatically create it by 3CX. In case if it didn't, we can create if there is an error or something. So let's go back and switch to the PBX Express. Close this window and let's choose the 3CX Cloud again. Let's see if it's giving the correct message. Great, it's giving the correct message. It's fine. Here we need to choose how much RAM we are allocating and how many virtual CPUs we need. So I'm going with the smallest one because you need to check your license with the Google Cloud, and it will be a paid and costly. Depends on the number of CPUs and other stuff, and accept the agreements. And here it's gonna leading us to do the 3CX installation. In this step we don't have anything to do, we just keep waiting until they finish the installation. The PBX Express will do everything for us, so we just need to wait for it to finish. Let us wait. So it's done already. I paused my video and come back. So let me open my FQDN. Let me copy the password and give admin and password. Click on login. Just save the password in the browser. Click on this close window. So you can see that we successfully installed the 3CX and we have installed it on the cloud, Google Cloud. So it's working fine. You can customize your 3CX Cloud now. So I believe this video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Goodbye.